friends, if you want to succeed, you should strike out on new paths rather than travel in one path of accepted success. I am Sagar Rath, Associate Editor, VarIndia, and welcome to a new chapter on brand's success factor. Today, we'll talk about one such company that is well poised to support the digital transformation initiatives of business. As the largest open source company in the world, it believes using an open development model helps create more stable, secure, and innovative technologies. They have spent more than 2 decades collaborating on community projects and protecting open source's license so that they can continue to develop software that pushes the boundaries of technological ability. And the brand we are talking about is Red Hat. Its focus has always been on understanding its customers, assessing their IT needs, and then working with them to ensure that the outcomes delivered meet their expectations with changing business needs. Red Hat works with partners to contextualize its offerings with uniquely Indian needs in order to truly enable them transform their business. The factors that make Red Hat a well-pronounced name are: as open hybrid cloud infrastructure is expected to become a key component in all IT strategies, Red Hat has helped organizations navigate technological change in an open way. They are building enterprise-ready solutions and creating software using the open source way, where communities can form around solving a problem or developing a new technology. Most of today's IT leaders agree that enterprise open source is important. Merited as the leading Kubernetes platform by Forrester, Red Hat OpenShift optimizes a company's existing IT infrastructure and builds new cloud services for infrastructures and applications with its advanced cybersecurity capabilities. Red Hat takes the opportunity to further accelerate and power the digital journey of India. It works with customers across sectors like BFSI, telco, government, manufacturing, media, and entertainment. The mid-market is also a growing focus area for Red Hat. That's all for now. Stay tuned to know more about Success Factor for more brands and more success stories. Thank you.